Thank you for being a Crane Composites distributor of our Glasbord and Sequentia f.r.p. wall panels. The following video is a tutorial on our products. Since 1954, Crane Composites, a subsidiary of Crane Corporation, has been the right choice for all the right places. As the world's leading f.r.p. provider, we deliver composite products with unsurpassed strength and performance. You can count on Crane's certified panels. Crane exclusively offers f.r.p. panels that are accepted under Factory Mutual Research approval, have earned Green Guard certification, and meet the USDA FSIS requirements. And our Glasbord panels are the only f.r.p. panels that are HACCP certified. Here is a list of our standard products. Our Glasbord with surface seal finish is available in a pebbled embossed finish, in 7 colors, or smooth finish in 3 colors in a variety of sizes, including our standard 4x8 foot and 4x10 foot panels. Glasbord is available in various fire ratings and are the only panels that are HACCP certified and FM approved. Varietex takes your f.r.p. to the next level with our unique textures and color options in sandstone, linen, and beaded. Varietex is available in a Class A or a Class C fire rating. Varietex is available in 12 standard colors or any custom color to match the decor. Designs provides a resilient wall covering that brings both style and durability into any commercial space. Our line has over 60 unique patterns in 6 collections and custom looks in any arrangement chosen, including logos, artwork, or corporate identity with vibrant high-resolution imagery. Kemply is fabricated by laminating our Glasbord panels to a rigid substrate. The result adds structural strength and rigidity. Our substrates include gypsum, plywood, oriented strand board, fluted polypropylene, and ACP core. Sanigrid is a sealing grid system that is ideal for areas with high humidity or a chemical environment. It resists the growth of mold and mildew with a Class A fire rating. Crane Composites offers several seam treatment options. For Glasbord and Sequentia, we offer our standard moldings. For Varietex and Designs, we offer color match caulk, silhouette trims, or a beaded panel molding. For a seamless Glasbord finish, use our polyurethane sealant, stainless trims, or Sanibase accessories. Crane Composites panels are easy to install using our tools that include rollers and trowels, and adhesive options along with tools for installing caulk and sealant. f.r.p. is ideal in a variety of applications throughout the building, including dining and service areas, spaces used for kitchen, food preparation, office and storage areas, and hallways and restrooms. f.r.p. is also utilized in processing plants, including clean rooms, cultivation facilities, food processing, cold storage, pharmaceuticals, labs, hospitals, and warehouses. Protect your cultivation facilities by creating a clean environment with Glasbord, and replace traditional seam treatments with our polyurethane seam sealant. Continue your corners and frames with our stainless trims, transition your floor to walls with our Sanibase accessories, and continue f.r.p. to the ceiling with our Sanigrid ceiling grid system and Glasbord ceiling panels. Create a protective envelope with Glasbord panels. Our surface seal finish will not trap soil or bacteria on the panel and will hold up under high humidity and water exposure areas for vapor barrier protection that prevents the transfer of spores and insects through the wall. Glasbord panels are easy to install with minimal downtime and can be installed over existing materials. Sanibase stainless accessories can be used for innovative moisture mitigation solutions for seamless wall-to-floor transitions. Our Sanibase accessories are available in 5 different profiles to fit your application needs. They have a long life cycle, are easy to clean, and easy to install to ensure a seamless, secure fit. Stainless steel trim pieces are the answer to having a sanitary, durable, and clean transition while providing increased impact resistance and longevity to develop a more aesthetically pleasing finish. Stainless trims are available in standard profiles, and inside and outside corners are available with a radial profile. The support you receive from Crane shows there is no better option for your f.r.p. needs. Crane support includes short lead times and 99% on-time delivery. Our technical team is highly knowledgeable and provides the most innovative products and profitable solutions. Crane support is complete with marketing programs to showcase our products on our website, such as f.r.p sample ordering on our sample selector, a detailed resource center, and online support. Crane's customer service has experienced representatives to assist you. You can also view your specification and sales representative or view our distributor locator. Our f.r.p panels can be seen in several national specifications because of our worldwide vast array of products and a large distribution network. Here are a few of our specifications. Our f.r.p panels are easy to install, but there are important steps to take to get the job done right. We offer a detailed online installation guide, an installation video on our YouTube channel, and provide on-site assistance. Before installing f.r.p panels, the environment of the job site should be determined in order to select the appropriate adhesive based on the wall substrate. Our installation guide provides more information. Crane Composites makes it easy to order materials from order placement to receiving it. Be sure to fully inspect panels and accessories and store panels indoors on a flat surface. Thank you for participating in our training module. If you have any questions or need additional support, please visit our website at cranefrp.com or contact your district sales representative.